Everybody talks about their big goals in January, but this is how we're actually going to make them happen. While we were saving for our cross-country move, we realized that big financial goals don't always happen all at once. So instead of focusing on the huge numbers, we started setting small daily financial goals. Think things like no spend days, using apps to see where we could save on everyday items like groceries, or simply just moving $20 into our savings. So writing it down has helped keep it all visible. And those small wins help build so much confidence and habits that actually stick. I've partnered with ATB to help you turn those January goals into real habits. Their goal journal lets you set and track your own daily financial goals. Small wins, less stress, real progress. Comment goals down below and I'll send you your very own journal so you can get started.